Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these LED Christmas lights, and they are going to be like for your iPhone charger. So I'll show you guys what they are and how they kind of work. So there are two, you get two sets of them in here. And if I can open it up, I will show you here. Actually, my iPhone's in the other room. Let me go grab that real quick, and I'll show you how it works. But I'll show you the concept here. So how cool are these? Let me go grab those while I'm opening this up. I have my pretty dead 7% air iPhone here. So here we go. We got this open. Oops. And look at this. So you get these. Look at this. It's like a whole string of Christmas lights. Look at that. And it's there we go. Sorry, it took me a few minutes to open this up. But you see it's got USB on one side and the lightning on the other side. So I can plug this in. I have a battery pack here. So plug this in. And I think I pushed the button to turn it on. Yes. And you can see we've got Christmas lights going now. Hopefully you can see all these lit up. Let me turn off my little lights over here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. I got lights everywhere. Hold on a sec. I'll still leave the room lights on, but here you go. You can see it's got these lights on here, and they're on and lit up and whatever. And then we can plug it into my phone, and it's charging. So it says it's 7% now, but it is charging. So how cool is that? So you get a little light string, and it's a charger. It's pretty sweet, very festive for Christmas. And this one here is a lightning charger, and the other one is, let's see, is it the same? We got two of them in here. I'll open it up and show you. It looks like it's going to be the same thing. So it will be, yes, another lightning charger. So we can charge our lightning-based phones with that. So how cool is that? It's super cute looking. Super cute. Totally thumbs up on this one here. LED Christmas lights. It's by YAGE Tail. That's what it says right there. So super cool. Thumbs up.